not yet. Just wake up. Good morning, everyone. I want you to stay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa Hi, Jerry. Hello, my love. Hi, Jerry. How are you? Good evening there in US. What's up? I'm okay. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm doing live now. La, 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 la. Thank you for 2 people. Tapos na. Kaya ito na ano dito. Kita ako dito sa ano. Kay mama ko kita. We're finally alone. Finally alone. Ano ba yan? Ano ka? Naka ano yun, napatay dito sa luyo, sa tusulot. Para ano, I felt Tim's eye on me. Hi everyone, thank you for 4 people here. Thank you guys. I want you to stay, never go away. Stay forever. I'll know that you're gone. Thank you for 5 people here. Thank you so much. I missed the bikini, so I came back. If I got another 50 likes, I will. I need to earn the 50 likes. I need to reach. I just like 50 times. I just live now. Hi po. Hi. Hello. Hi, Alan. don't let him catch you looking at me like that. Thank you for the thumbs up. 5 thumbs up, guys. Tuko Vicky Polo. Hi. Tuko Vicky Polo. Hello po. Are you excited to get married? Yes. Yes, I am. Magkahawak ang mga kamay. I have eyebags. Thank you for 5 people watching. Hi, Paul. Hi, Paul. Hi, Paul. Thank you for 5 people watching. Hi, Sir Paul. Hello, my love. Hey, Danielle Ganzara. Thank you for the time, Zach. For me, I'm just out waiting for my baby. Jadi tabi. Kaya man ako dito sa sa sulod sin Ay, nagugas na si Gab. Ay, pagkakaputi yun. Maati yun. Ay, may tasa dito. Butang ng tabi si Menit na tubig. Tasa. Salamat. Anhali sa iyo. How was your weekend? A good weekend. Hope you get rest. Yes po. Thank you, Sir Daniel Yandara. I got rest. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Lots of food and rest. Just rest. Just rest. Not lots of foods. Just having a food, but not too much. Hmm. Thank you for watching. How about dancing? I do Zumba yesterday. I did Zumba yesterday. Ay, thank you, men. Nagmaho ka na, men. Salamat. Ay, kuha man tabi ako minsan ko charita. Direk sa tabi. Hi, Insan! Good morning. Ay, good evening sa'yo. Kumusta? If he was your boyfriend, I would dance with you every day. Wow. F. The question F. Thank you, man. Ay, what? Kamali ako. Sorry. Bolero itong mga viewers mo na iba Insan. Oh, kaya nga eh. Bolero talaga. Napaka bolero. Sinasakayan ko na nga lang. We would wake up together and tell each other how much we love each other. Oh my goodness. Danielle. I will give you the moon in the sun. Yes. I'll give you the moon. I give you everything. What you want. I give you everything. But when you ask something, oh my God, you're asking too much. Please. Oh my God. Master Brian, hello. I will give you a scooter. Thank you, my team. Thank you, team. Thank you, my team. Can you please unband me? Po, I'm black. I can see nothing on live. American Kuya. Wait. I'm not banned anyone here. I'm not banned anyone here. American Kuya. I don't know what's happening. You really unbanned because you can chat here. He is banned. He is banned. Why he is banned? Team has the Bears 2000. Okay, the Bears. The Bears. Oh my God, I'm the Bears 2005. Okay, sorry, the Bears. How are you now? Manggugulo ako sa mga viewers mo, Insan. Sige, Insan. Sige, go ahead. Sige, thank you. Kilatisin natin itong mga hinayupak na, mga ano natin. Oh yeah, he is banned. Sorry, you overstepped the line. Can you please make a funny face for me? Yeah. Charot. Thank you for the eat, Tamsek. I could eat this turtle. Ah, okay. How are you now, American Korean? Ah, thank you. Ah, that's fun, Eddie. May luto sa'yo, may nabago. May luto sa'yo. Sige, itagin mo. Kagadaw-tuda ko na lang pangayos. Namata pala. To the birds, I can't trust you and now I ban this name also. Huh? What? Ah, okay. Team apologize. Kuya, no worry, no flirting, just unbanned. Wait, I miss it. Your funny face. Why? My funny face. Ah, wala, hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Pangit ko eh. I'm ugly. It's a funny face. Nagkahawak ang mga kamay sa ng buhay. Hi, Danielle. Where are you from? Danielle, where are you from, Danielle? Where are you from? Daniel lives next to you, chat. You are still beautiful, even when you're funny face, maybe even more beautiful. Thank you, Daniel. Char. I told you already. USA? I forgot. Sorry. Thank you for the 11 people here. Thank you so much. Naglahalag ba na ang buhok ko? My eye bugs. Trust me, Danielle, she did forget. I forget a lot. Like maybe 3 or 4 days ago. That's why I forget it. Timmy, your call brother was asking. Sorry, brother. I only wish happiness for you too. Thank you. Salamat, Main. Anong gusto mo, Main? Thank you, Main. Main, give me a rice. Yummy. Thank you, American Kuya. Fried rice. I know you're breaking my heart. Aray ko. You're breaking your heart. Oh God. You can stay here on this name, but you have to speak English only and other language, American, then you will go. I am from California. My cousin, she live in Chicago. Thank you for 17 people watching. Thank you guys. Oh, I see Daniel. That is terrible city. Why? Why terrible? Chicago. Very dangerous. Why dangerous? Chicago? American Kuya, you can use this name and you need to know her last name to try find her on Facebook. But I'm not exactly in Chicago. I see maybe, but I'm not exactly in Chicago. Ah, okay. I live near Disneyland. Ah, okay. Why dangerous? Hi, Alex Adams. I'm going back to my the birds to no worry if you unblock me only Tagalog. I will see you for okay. I don't know how to unblock. I don't know. He lives in Florida. Daniel Gandara, that is a very dangerous place also. He lives in Florida. Dangerous? Why dangerous? A lot of shooting. In Florida? I see. I know much about it. Tim, I don't have this book. No worries. No. Ay, masamot. So, mamaya, masamot na. American Kuya English only. Yeah. Chicago, I think it's depend the places because even in the California, there's a place that bad too. Ah, okay. Can I ask you a question? Go ahead, Danielle. You can ask. Okay, brother, please unblock the birds. I don't know how to unblock. Wait. Chicago, not bad. Okay. Cheryl, I will take care of it. I decide to, okay? Okay, brother, please unblock the bars. Yeah, I don't know how to unblock. Sorry. Do you know how beautiful you are? No, I don't know. Here, my beauty is normal. No one courting me here because here in the Philippines is a very perfectionist about the beauty. They like white skin, so I'm not white skin. Uh, they like how to do makeup like the eyebrows, so I'm not like that. So I don't know. Even I put the lipstick. I don't know. I'm just I'm just a woman. Chicago, not bad. Uh, Chicago is the capital of the world for murders. Oh, really? Yes, American Kuya. It depends where exactly the places. Not all Chicago is bad. Ah, okay. Oh my God, not all. That's what makes you beautiful, natural beauty like a sunrise or being beaten like a sunrise. And I'm not clear skin too, so beautiful. So I'm just need to kind, yes, because I'm not beautiful and outside. That's why if people like me, I really appreciate it and I keep it. You know my cousin Chuck is so beautiful. Memphis and other cities like Detroit, though Chicago is not one of the most dangerous cities in the USA. Ah, gaya din dito sa ano no, sa Pilipinas may lugar na ano na nakahadok pero di rin man ibig sabihin na intiro na yon. Hey, hi Junior, happy birthday. Aray. Happy New Year to you. Merry Christmas, Junior. I'm in Google. Merry Christmas, Junior. I'm in Indiana, so I only go to North inside for games. Okay. Yes, Chicago is just the city of Illinois. The whole city of Chicago is bad or dangerous. Ah, okay. Ano nga masasabi niyo sa what did you know? What did you say about the Texas? City of Texas. Thank you, man. Mamaya namin ha. Kaypuhan mo na. Kaypuhan mo na. Mabakalong ka. Doon na ha. I mean, it is not a bad or dangerous. Ginoo itong pag-type. Ah, okay. some area of Texas is bad. Same like Chicago. Some area of Chicago is bad. So hope team, you live in a safe place. Good. No, nothing like Chicago. Okay. Texas is one of the big states, or if I'm not wrong. It's one of the big states. Okay. Mayan dito. Ramon. Correct. Ramon. Wait. I think it's kuha ka na din. Ayun.
Ano?
Sige na mag-ano ka na, tapos mag-ano ka sa di masarama na di kuya.
Bakit?
Mag-ano ka masarama.
Bakit? Bakit? Tirang uwang mo, ma.
Yes. Magluluto ka ng gihapon sila nun.
Dali ya.
Tignan itlog. I think it's double the California if I'm not mistaken. Hi, Atayang! Good morning, Atayang! Hi, Atayang! Maano ko na, mabasko ko na. Nagayon na ang pagbubuka mo, Atayang. Nagayon na. Gapuno na si Atayang. What? What, huh? On I-10, it's 363 miles across. Okay. Taker, Cheryl, and Tim, God bless. I'm going to the Bears account now. Okay? Okay, bye, American. Done 863 miles long. Okay. Okay, what means okay? Okay, all right. You know what? Bye-bye. Thank you guys. See you later. See you again tonight here. Bye. Love you all.